Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Power Automate flow using the concurrency setting. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your existing flows and automation tools. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, locate and click on My Flows. This section displays all the automation workflows you've created or have access to. It's essentially your control center for managing everything related to Power Automate. Now, from the list of flows that appears, select the specific flow you want to optimize. Hover your mouse over that flow and you'll notice a pencil icon appear. Click on this pencil icon to open the flow editor. This is where you can rename your flow or make any modifications to its structure and settings. Once you're inside the flow editor, make sure your automation contains an apply to each action. This action is crucial because it processes multiple items in a loop, and it's exactly where the concurrency setting comes into play. If you don't have this action yet, you won't be able to apply concurrency control. Next, click on the three dots located on the apply to each action. This will open a small menu with additional options for that specific action. These options allow you to configure advanced settings that can significantly impact how your flow performs. From that menu, click on Settings on the left side. This opens up the detailed configuration panel for the apply to each action, where you can fine-tune how items are processed within the loop. Now, look for the option labeled Concurrency Control. This feature is what enables your flow to process multiple items simultaneously instead of one at a time, which dramatically speeds up execution. By default, this option is turned off. Click the toggle button beside Concurrency Control to enable it. Once activated, you'll immediately see a new slider appear below called Degree of Parallelism. This slider determines how many items your flow can process at the same time, giving you direct control over performance. Slide the Degree of Parallelism slider all the way to the right to maximize it. By setting it to the maximum value, you're allowing Power Automate to process as many items as possible in parallel, which results in the fastest execution time for your flow. Finally, make sure to save your automation by clicking the Save button at the top of the screen. This ensures all your changes are applied and your flow will now run at its optimized speed. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Power Automate flow to run faster using concurrency control. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.